How to migrate your Microsoft Teams data, including teams, channels, messages, files, and permissions, to another Microsoft 365 environment? Try SysTools Microsoft Teams Migration Tool. Top-rated solution to migrate Teams data securely. Key features of the software: migrate Microsoft Teams chats, groups, files, channels, and posts from the source environment to the destination. Automatically create teams and channels at the destination during the migration without setting them up manually. Import a CSV file to easily map source and destination users, teams, and groups before starting the migration. Use Delta Migration to transfer newly added or updated Teams data without migrating the previously transferred data again. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Microsoft Teams Migration Tool. Click on the top search result that leads to the SysTools official website. On the product page, click on the Download Now button. Once downloaded, simply install and launch the SysTools Teams Migration Tool on your system. You will be greeted with main interface of the software. In the Source section, select the Microsoft 365 as source platform. In the Destination section, select Microsoft 365 as the destination platform. Next, move to the Resources and Workload selection section and select the Teams tab. Enable the Teams checkbox. It will automatically select Teams creation, channel message, and files. Once everything is set, click Next button. On the source screen, you have to enter the admin email. Now, enter the application ID. Next, click on Validate. Once completed the validation, the status will turn green. Click the Next button at the bottom to move forward. In this window, you have to enter the admin email and the corresponding application ID for your destination platform. Now, click Validate. After validation, click Next button. On the user screen, you will see three options: fetch users to retrieve users from the source account, import users to upload a user list manually, and download template to get the sample format for importing multiple users. Click the Fetch Users button to automatically retrieve all available user accounts from the source. Now, click Continue. Once Users Fetch process completed, click OK. The list of users will appear. Select the All Users, or you can select the specific users you wish to include in the migration. You can quickly filter and find specific accounts by typing an email address or name in the search bar menu. Select the checkbox. You can also use the Show Selected toggle to display only the Microsoft Teams you have selected for migration. Enter the destination email ID and then click the Validate button. Once validation process is completed, click OK. Verify that both the source and destination permission columns are glowing green for your selections. Now, click on the Teams tab to view and configure the teams for migration. Now, on the Teams tab, you can specify which teams from the source account you want to migrate. To do this, click the Fetch Teams button. Once the fetching process is completed successfully, click OK. The list of available teams will then appear. You can select all teams or choose specific teams for migration. You can also use the search bar to find a team by its name or account name. Select the checkbox for the required team. You can also use the Show Selected toggle to display only the Microsoft Teams you have selected for migration. Next, map the selected source teams with the destination teams by clicking Create Team. Enter the required team names, or let the software automatically use the source team names. Click Continue, then click Start to create all required teams in the destination domain. the teams will be created in in-migration mode. Next, click on the Validate button. Once the validation is complete, the status will appear. Click OK to proceed. Once the required source and destination permissions are validated, you can expand a particular team to list the channels in that team. Additionally, you can also check or uncheck the channels that you want to migrate. Finally, click on Start Migration button to initiate the process. You can see the migration task, In Progress, Pending, Completed tab. After completion, you can see the green tick icon in front of all the teams that are migrated. After completion of the migration process, you can click on the drop-down button to see the count of the channel names, messages, and files that are migrated. This Migration Activities menu provides several options to manage and rerun the team's migration. Retry failed items remigrates the team's data that failed during the previous migration. Rerun full migration runs the complete team's migration process again from the beginning. Delta migration migrates only the new data added after the previous migration, without migrating the existing data again. Mark Teams Complete marks the selected teams as successfully completed after verifying the migration. Next, click the Download Report button. You will see two options: Migration Summary Report and Detailed Report. The Migration Summary Report provides an overview of the team's migration results, while the Detailed Report provides comprehensive information about the migration process. That's how you can easily migrate Microsoft Teams data from one account to another using the SysTools Teams Migration tool, while maintaining teams, channels, messages, and files throughout the migration process. Visit the product page to learn more and purchase the tool. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.